Miss Conning here, about to go over the resume worksheet assignment. So you should have already finished the resume question takeaway where you watched a video about resumes and told me 2 takeaways. And now we're moving on to the actual future career resume worksheet assignment. So let's have a look at this assignment. You are supposed to open the attached worksheet, watch this instructional video, and then complete your copy of the worksheet and turn it in. So let's look at this resume worksheet. So you'll see here, I did it again in a table format for you to help you understand every area and every item that you need. So we're going to start at the top just really quickly. And as a reminder, this is for your future. We're talking 15 to 20-ish years away. So most of this information you are going to make up. You're going to project the information. Use this as a roadmap, a game plan for your future. If your future was perfect and turned out ideally the way you want it, where would your life be? So you'd start with your name, including first and last. You can put your middle name if you want, your middle initial, whatever works for you. You're going to put your current full address, phone number, and email address so your employers that are interested in you can contact you. These can be, of course, made up because I'm assuming 15 to 20 years from now, you're not going to be living at home. Then you're going to do a summary statement or a skills table, either or. Now, I included, if you see these little icons, some help things. So you go here and you see, oh, there's a YouTube video. Oh, there's an article about what is a resume summary. This is another YouTube video, another resume summary guide. So are those the same? Because they shouldn't be. They are. So I'll have to fix that. So that being said, you are going to use the informational material I provided if you need it and come up with a summary statement or a skills table. Now, in the mini lesson, they talked about the summary statement or a purpose statement, and so you should understand kind of the basic expectation for there. Then for this assignment worksheet, I want you to come up with 3 different work experience things to provide. Now remember, this is going to be fake. You're going to make it up. You haven't got there yet. And I want you to know you're always going to work backwards. So the first thing your employer will see when skimming your resume is your current job. So you will put what you currently do. If I were to be filling this out right now, I would put CTE, professional communications teacher, and CTE department chair in that area. And then I would put the position I had previously, which was a substitute teacher. And then I would put the position before that in my third one, always working backwards. Same thing goes for education. You're going to start with the most recent education and work your way backwards. So if you go to school and let's say for your chosen career, you need a master's degree, you will put the master's degree education first. Then you will put your bachelor's degree education, and you don't need to include your high school information at that point. Because 15 to 20 years from now, I'm not telling people where I went to high school. They don't care, okay? The last thing on your resume that I want you to fill out is an honors, awards, and or publications. I want you to make up some stuff. Tell me some things you would have done in your career to get you to this point. All professions have things of this nature, okay? Just come up with something. If you have no clue, Google it. What are awards I can win in blank? And find out what are out there. What are some publications where I can put my information out there in blank? Look up the information about your career. And that is all. Now, a real resume may have other parts, but for the purpose of this class and this assignment, we're just going to work with a very basic chronological order resume to get you started. Be sure to make sure you are doing each and every category that it's asking and filling it out completely and consistently. And also remember proper grammar, punctuation, and things of that nature matter. Capitalization. I've seen so many resumes that the people do not capitalize their first and last name. Future employers toss away resumes like that. They don't even look at them. If you can't capitalize name, your own name, which is a formal noun, then they're not interested in you. So you just need to make sure that you need to make your communication for this next level and take care of your business. If y'all have any questions, remember, do not be shy. Private comment, raise your hand, come back to the Google Meet, do whatever it takes to do the best job possible on this assignment. Talk to y'all soon.